Here we are, June 28th, getting ready to pick our Fingerling potatoes, but these are potatoes we planted a long time ago, huh? Those are Satina and Purple Rose, I think? Mountain Rose. They'll still have a few more weeks, but now we're going to pick the Fingerling potatoes that are died off. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're going to pick those. So go ahead and dig those up. Right there. Straight down, lift up. Okay, now pull the whole thing up. Okay, pull the fork out. There you go. Okay. What do we got there? Put them over the dirt, baby. Lay it down. Let's see. So we got some big ones there. What else we got? Pick them up.
We got a few teeny ones.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and put them in the bowl here. Those are good size, huh?
Uh-huh.
Wow, those are really big.
The size of my hand.
Hey, so dig in that dirt there, because there's going to be more in the dirt. Little baby ones, huh?
Well, most of them are good.
Yeah. Not the green ones. Alright, we'll dig the rest of them up and then show what we got. Okay? Keep digging. Whoa.
Spelled out.
Okay, so here is our harvest, total harvest there. And let's see.
You're going to scale?
We're going to weigh it, huh? Okay. So we planted 2.5 pounds of sweet potatoes. Remember, we already picked up 2 pounds of it on that first row.
Yes.
And these are the last 2 rows. So let's see how much they weigh here. So let's turn the scale on, and let's see. So we got another 6 pounds 1 ounce. So what was that? So we got a total of 8 pounds out of 2.5 pounds of sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So not bad for the first time, huh? Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye bye. See you next time.
See you next time.